Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Made Easy. In today's video, we'll be solving this limit problem. Alright, solution. We have this question that we want to solve. Limit of x tends to 0 of x minus sine x over s cubed. Now, let us firstly do these check-ins. If I do these check-ins by substituting x to be 0, so this is what I mean. That is 0 raised to the power of 3, 0 minus sine 0. Alright, so this will be 0. This will be 0 minus 0. And then 0 raised to the power of 3 is 0. Don't forget that. That will be 0 minus 0 because sine 0 will give you 0. So this will be equal to 0 over 0. So that shows that if we substitute the value of x, like if we substitute x to be 0 straightforward, we are not going to get the answer we need. So what can we do here? So we apply the L'Hopital rule. Then, and how are we going to do that? We have to differentiate both the numerator and the denominator. Alright, so let's firstly differentiate it once. Let's check what we are going to have. So differentiating both the numerator and the denominator, if you differentiate x minus sine x with respect to x, that's ddx of x minus sine x. So it also means ddx of x minus ddx of sine x. Alright, so if you differentiate x, it's just going to give us 1. We are going to have 1 minus, and if we differentiate sine x, that one is going to give us cos x. That's 1 minus cos x. Alright, so we have this. Okay, so the next thing we have to do, let's check if we substitute 0, and then if you differentiate the denominator, that is d dx of x cubed, so that one is going to give us 3x squared. Okay, so then we are going to have this. So the limit will change. We are going to have, this. So limit of x tends to 0. Okay, x tends to 0 of, everything has changed now. So instead of writing x sine x, it's now 1. Okay, I'm talking about the numerator. It's now 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x, everything over 3x squared. Alright, if you try substituting 0 here again, what are we going to have? So you are going to have this 1 minus cos 0. So everything over 3 into bracket 0 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so this is going to result to, we're going to have, cos 0 is 1. So that will be 1 minus 1 over 0, which is equal to 0 over 0. So here also we can still apply the L'Hopital rule, because we are still getting 0 over 0. So that is, we are still going to differentiate once again. Okay, so if I differentiate the numerator, that is, we find the ddx of 1 minus cos x. So that one is going to give us, if you differentiate 1, that is 0, and if you differentiate cos x, so that will be minus sine x. That's going to give us sine x. Okay, and then if you differentiate our denominator, differentiate our denominator. So we have d dx of 3x squared. D dx of 3x squared. So that one is going to give us 6x. Okay. So we are going to have 6x. All right. So then the limit will change to this. So we are going to have limit of x so the limit of x tends to 0 limit of x tends to 0, then our numerator and the denominator has changed. So our numerator has changed to sine x, then our denominator has changed to 6x. Once again, if we substitute 0 to be x here again, so you are going to have sine 0, sine 0, sine 0 over 6 into bracket 0. All right. So this is going to give us, sine 0 is still 0. So you are going to have 0 over 0 because 6 multiplied by 0, that one is also going to give us 0. So here also we can still apply the L'Hopital's rule. So for the last time, so applying the L'Hopital rule, so that is if we differentiate the numerator and the denominator. So if I differentiate sine x, that is d dx of sine x, what am I going to have? D dx of sine x. So that one is cos x. Cos x. Okay. And then if I differentiate 6x, so that is d dx of 6x. So that one is going to give us 6. So that one is going to give us 6. Then I have my limit, my new limit. So my new limit will be limit of x tends to 0, then our numerator is now cos x, and then our denominator is now 6. Then we can now apply our 0. So to hit, so that will be cos 0 over 6, cos 0 over 6, and then we already know that cos 0 is 1. So that will be equal to 1 over 6. So that will be equal to 1 over 6. 1 over 6. All right, so that's the solution to the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like my videos. Please share my videos. Thank you.